affiliate marketing tips for beginners is what I'm going to share tips about in this video. Hello from me Olsson, thanks for tuning in to this video. I really appreciate it. Now, affiliate marketing are regarded as an easy way to start making money online in a way that you don't need your own product to promote. You can promote someone else's product, the product owner, the vendor's product, and receive a percentage of a commission for that product on every sale. And you can sign up for free as a free affiliate to many offers online to promote, but I recommend that you choose a certain niche to promote product from an area in the marketplace, so to say. For instance, make money online. It can be video marketing or weight loss product and such, but do not promote weight loss products one day and then make money products the next, because you want to position yourself as a leader and the go-to person regarding the product you promote, and then it doesn't look good if you jump from one product to another, but or niche should I say. But anyway, here is one site called Warrior Plus where you can create a free account and request to promote different products. Now, if you haven't made any sales so far, or very few, for instance on this platform, then you not everyone view, but I have done a video how you can write your request to promote products in another video, and I'll leave a bookmark to it on this video. Now let's check out another site called JVZoo. JVZoo, similar site to Warrior Plus. It has a lot of different software and so on that you can promote. Now here, weight loss product or health product or all kind of other products in the market, then this site is good for that. When it comes to affiliate link that you will receive, is making videos like I do here, share a lot of value about something you have learned, or the product, make a review of the product itself and then post a link to it beneath the video. And make sure to follow the rules of YouTube, as you will find settings to set up beneath the video when you have uploaded. And do this consistently. And another way is blogging. It's same thing there. You got to be consistent and post a lot of value about the message you want to share with people. And from time to time you can post links to a product you have made. Maybe you have tried the product yourself and you can put out that as well. And when getting a blog with a domain name that is branded to you or the niche you are promoting, but you don't give up if you don't see any results after posting. Maybe you think you have posted a lot of content, but it takes time. But blogging still works, and it's a free method, but you get to stay consistent. Another way you can share value and build an audience is on, for instance, Facebook. You can share a lot of value in your post on your wall. It should be 80% value. You can share advice, things you have learned, or you can share just inspirational quotes and things like that. And then from time to time, 20% of your content you can share what you're promoting, and you can write if you want to know more, then comment info, and then when they comment info or something like that, you can inbox them with an offer, for instance a link to a capture page or something like that, or tell them more about this offer. Another way is to promote for free is forum marketing. I made a video recently of how to build your list with Warrior Forum, and I will put the bookmark to that video as well. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for tuning in, and If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to learn how to turn $1 into $197, then click the link below and have an awesome day. Bye bye.